Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Ralph's Automotive. Do a quick one here. Actually inside my truck. And what I got going on, you can't hear it. Of course, you can't feel it. So I'm going to flip that camera around. You can see it. So if you pay attention to the RPM gauge, it's not doing it as bad. Oh, you can definitely see it though. It's dropping out. And I did plugs, wires, all kinds of other maintenance items there not too long ago. Cleaned the mass airflow and all that good stuff. And I don't have a check engine light on. And you can feel it. It's like knocking really, well, not knocking. I said that wrong. It's missing really, really bad. And as soon as you give it just a little bit of throttle, it just clears up and goes away. So there'll be some further testing here. You know, and of course this one here is one of the vehicles that's got the DOD, but the DOD on this one is actually turned off. It's been turned off for some time. So I'll show you this here. I'm going to try to do that while I'm holding the screen here. That's what I'm using, is the Tech 2. So GMC truck, Sierra. We'll go to the powertrain. 5.3 manual transfer case. No, it does not. Sorry about the shaky camera. I'm going to go straight into the engine control module. And like I said, I can show you this, but there's really no need because it doesn't have a check engine light, as you already seen. I'm not going to go through that. I'm not going to read it because it doesn't have any codes. And I certainly didn't erase anything or anything like that. So I want to scroll down here. Sorry about that. I'm looking through the phone screen. Misfired data. Come on now. Number 4. Okay, so we got a misfire counter. I'm going to try to hold still. Of course, it runs through the cycle, so kind of give you a picture of this here now. I'm going to just go ahead, the best that I can, hold like 1,000 RPM. Okay, I'm at about 1,300 or whatever. 14, it's hard to hold that. Sorry about that. So, as you see, no more misfire. Now I'm going to let it idle again. Boom. As soon as I let it idle, it's got misfires going on. So, show you that. We're going to need to do some further testing. That's for... Okay, so I changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and switch coils, wires, and plugs on the passenger side. I thought I might have said driver's side earlier. That's incorrect. It's the passenger side. Cylinder layout is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I may have said that the wrong way earlier, and I did change my mind. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and swap all of that around. So if my number 4 goes to my number 2, then I got something messed up. Either the coil or something like that is a quick trick, but the number 4 is one of the cylinder deactivation cylinders, and probably got a collapsed lifter. That's I would consider that about my luck. So anyway, let me swap that out real quick, and we'll head back into the truck, and I guess I'll give you a better shot of what I'm doing here. I'm on the tripod, of course. Everything is in the way, so Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the coils, these two here, disconnect them, take everything off of it, take the plugs out, and switch everything from one cylinder to the next. Got to plug the spark plug wires back in and see if we got any luck. Water hose bracket. Are plugged in. Get this thing off the tripod. I'm going to sit inside the truck. Woo, it feels better in here. Lots better. What? Well, I might have been wrong about the oil pressure on the lifter, but that's the one time I'm glad to I'm glad to be wrong. I tell you that, because I think my misfire is gone. I don't know what just happened, but misfire is gone. Well, that's... I'm not going to argue, guys. I'm not going to argue. Data display, dummy. Wasn't all the way in there yet. Go straight into that misfire data. If I find it, there it is. Misfire data. I don't know what I did. It might have had a boot loose. I don't know. It's a possibility. Like I said, I don't care. I'm tickled pink here. I am tickled absolutely pink. I have no more misfires. So yeah, loving it. Gang, I'm loving it. Well worth the 15-20 minutes I just spent doing it. But anyway, I was going to share this with you no matter what. Like I said, these on the later models, you know, they don't have as many problems with the lifters, but still, you know, there's still a possibility. I have seen them on the later models where they messed up. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm just tickled pink. I'm ecstatic. That's all it was. So anyway, thanks for watching. I guess one more thing I'm going to add to that. Like I said, what I did just now, and I didn't notice anything being loose or not plugged in right. You know, I didn't notice it, but that don't mean nothing. I got pliers to grab these because it's got metal sleeves over the spark plug boots, and I got pliers, special pliers to grab them, and it pulls them right on off. You don't know if they're tight or not. So I don't know about that part, but what I did is essentially switch everything from the number 4 to the number 2 and vice versa. So, and obviously the problem did not go to the number 2. The problem has fixed itself. So I guess I had that in there. If it would have been a plug, a wire, a coil problem as a whole, a plug, a wire, coil, yeah, a plug, a wire, and a coil as a whole, we would have known now that it is not related to the engine, but rather related to the coil, the wire, because these have short plug wires on, or the plug itself. Of course, I looked at the plugs when I pulled them out. You know, you look for carbon tracing, I guess, and I didn't see anything, so there you go. Figured I'd add that in there. Till next time.